Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, or hope you're having a good start of the week. And welcome to the channel if you're new, by the way. And in this video, we'll talk about Ethereum. Quite a few of you have been asking about my thoughts on Ethereum, and for me to do some sort of an update. So I thought, yeah, why not? You know, tomorrow we have a big day with the FOMC and the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. That's going to cause a lot of volatility. I think in general, if we look over the next month, the developments we will see are going to be bullish for crypto. So therefore also bullish for Ethereum. But if we look at the situation right now for Ethereum, and we will do a little bit more of a long-term analysis here, I am not too happy. Ethereum, and there's basically two things that explain this, or basically one thing that explains this. Two things. First of all, Ethereum itself, if you look at the statistics and you look at the network, there hasn't been real growth for Ethereum in quite a long time. All right, so the TVL was developing very, very well into March, and then also into June when we had that ETF news. That was great. But then since June, we've been dropping down. And especially also after July, we've been relatively bearish here. And that hasn't been great. And that's if the network is not doing well, especially for Ethereum. Like Ethereum is supposed to be this network, this blockchain that actually has decentralized applications and has much more use cases than Bitcoin. So if that network is not growing and is not performing as well as it was, that's bearish. Double that up with the Ethereum ETF, which has not been great so far, and we've seen a ton of outflows. Total outflows so far have been $600 million in Ethereum. That's not nothing, right? So that combination has made Ethereum relatively bearish. That's also what we see right here. If we look at Ethereum against Bitcoin, that has been massively bearish. So what we are essentially waiting for, like the moment I think you need to buy Ethereum, is the moment that Ethereum starts to rally up against Bitcoin. So at this point of time, if you look at that chart, the main resistance level is 4 cents. Break above that, and I think it's interesting to buy Ethereum. But that means that for now, look, if you look at the technical structure, it's also not great. We're basically consolidating here on top of 2200. And I do think, like if you really zoom out, basically the entire support that Ethereum has is this level on top of 2000. So from 2000 up to 2150. I do expect that level to hold. But that's not saying much, right? If we drop down there, that's still going to be bearish. So short term, I would say I do expect more bullish momentum soon. For now, it really depends on tomorrow. All right, so tomorrow we have the interest rate decision. If we have a 25 base points cut, I would still expect a drop down into this level, which, like I said, I do think will hold, and I think we'll be able to consolidate here. And eventually, when Ethereum against Bitcoin breaks out, I think we can be bullish. All right, so ultimately, longer term, over the next couple of months, I am bullish on Ethereum. And I also think if we can get a 50 base points cut tomorrow, then there's also a possibility that Ethereum breaks above its main resistance level right here at 2450, and that will be able to rally up to 2650. So I do think that's a possibility. But at this moment that we're speaking, the situation and what's most likely is that we'll pull back a little bit further, and that will just stay down here in this consolidation until we get some good news, either some very good news for the entire market, a 50 base points cut, or good news regarding Ethereum against Bitcoin. And at this moment, I don't really see a catalyst that could provide us with that. So those are my thoughts on Ethereum. Not so much on the price action. To be fair, I don't care too much about this price action until we get one of those bullish developments. But at least those are the fundamentals I think you need to know about. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.